Thank you for joining us today for our science lesson. Can everybody say hello? Hello! What do we do first for our lesson? That's right, we do our meditation. Think about your heart center. Fingers. Left hand into your lap. And close your eyes. Great job. You know just what to do. When you feel that heartbeat or boom boom in your heart center, move your right hand into your lap. And let's end our meditation with 3 breaths together. 1, 2, and 3. Slowly start to wiggle your toes. Slowly start to wiggle your fingers. Slowly open your eyes. Slowly stand up. Good job. Stretch your arms up high over your head and stretch out all your fingers. Very nice. Go up a little bit taller on your toes. Put your arms into a T. And touch your toes. Touch your toes. Come up halfway and swing your monkey monkey arms. That's right. Swing your monkey arm. Very nice. Stand up straight and tall. Let's do it again. Put your arms out into a T. Stretch out all your fingers. Put your arms up high and go up a little higher on your toes. And back into a T so we can do what? Touch your toes. And after you touch your toes, come up so your back is flat and let your monkey arms swing around. Very nice. Very nice. Stand up straight and tall. Let's practice growing. How do we start when we're growing? That's right. Get into a small little ball. A small little ball. Very nice. And you're going to grow. You're going to grow a little bit. And grow. Okay. Get into a small ball. Into a small little ball. As small as you can. And you're going to grow a little bit. Gonna grow a little bit more and grow. Good job, friends. Last one. Get into a small little ball. Get into the smallest little ball that you can. As small as you can. And we're gonna grow a little bit. We're gonna grow a little bit more and grow. Very nice, my friends. Very nice. Let's do 3 spins.
1, 2, 3.
Let's do 3 claps. Take 3 steps. And do 3 jumps. Very nice, friends. Everybody can take a seat. In this lesson, we're going to think about the things that people need to live. So we're going to be talking about a few different topics. First, we're going to take a look at a PowerPoint to see what animals need to live and see if there's any similarities between what animals need to live and what people need to live. So let's take a look at our PowerPoint. Okay, so animals need some things to help them get bigger. Yeah, they grow like this, right? Or like this. Yeah. You can grow, you can get taller, you can get bigger. There's a lot of different ways you can grow. So some of the things that animals need are similar to some of the things that people need. Can you think about anything that animals need to grow? Food is one thing. Good. Food is one thing. Water is another thing. And air. That's right. That's right. Yeah. So, yeah, animals need food to help them grow. What kinds of food? Plants and what else? And meat. That's right. Does every animal eat plants and meat?
Oh, yeah.
A butterfly?
No.
What does a butterfly eat?
No. Food.
What does a butterfly eat? Meat?
Plant. No.
Just plants, right? Yeah, so some animals can only eat plants.
Butterfly eat plant. Flower.
Yeah, plants and flowers. Other animals like a shark or a lion, do they eat plants?
No.
What do they eat? Meat. Yeah, so some animals only eat plants. Other animals only eat meat. Are there kinds of animals that can eat plants and meat?
Yeah.
What do you think? Yeah. Can you think of any animal that can eat?
Dog.
Good job. Yeah, a dog could eat plants and meat. A cat like rice. Sometimes the cats and dogs at our school eat rice. And a pig. You're right. Very nice. So all different kinds of animals eat all different kinds of food. Do people eat all different kinds of food or the same food?
Different.
Yeah, we eat different kinds of food, right? We don't eat the same food every time. That would be kind of boring. So what was the second thing that animals needed? Water. It was water. Water. How do we spell water?
W-A-T-E-R.
Yeah, W-A-T-E-R. So we need to have water just like the animals need to have water. And that helps them to grow. Yeah, when have their food and their water that helps them grow to big and strong. Yeah, so we can think of it like food and water helps you grow. Do you think food and water helps you grow? We'll find out. We'll find out. Some say yes, some say yeah. Milk can help us? Yeah. Yeah, so when we have different kinds of food and water, that helps us to get bigger. Yeah, do you think food and water help this little chicken to get bigger? Yeah, I think so. I think it did. Yeah. Good job. What about the little kitten? Do you think food and water help the kitten to get bigger? Yeah, I bet he did. It is so cute. Yeah, very nice. So all animals, we have two different kinds of animals right here. What are they? What is this? And what's this? What's this animal on the flower? Yeah.
Animals grow different.
Yeah, animals grow differently. Good job. Good reading. So the dog, does it hatch out of an egg like a butterfly?
No.
No? What happens to the dog? Starts off like a small dog. Starts off like a little dog, yeah, in the tummy. And then it grows to be a bigger dog, right? What about the butterfly? How does the butterfly start? In an egg. Yeah, it starts in an egg. And then it hatches. Yeah, when the egg opens up, we call that hatching. And then it grows bigger and bigger. It makes a home, goes to sleep in that home, and becomes a butterfly when it hatches out. Very nice. Okay, so one of the things that people need is one of the same things that animals need. And it starts with an A. Can you think of something that animals need and people need that starts with the letter A? What do you think that could be?
Air.
Yeah, air. Do you remember how we spell air?
A-I-R.
Good job. It's A-I-R. Air.
B-A-I-R.
A-I-R. A-I-R. And we need air to help us do what?
Food. Breathe.
Yeah, to breathe. Everybody take a big breath. Just like we do in our meditation. Yeah, good job. Let's try to see if we can hold our breath. Do you know what it means to hold your breath? It's when you breathe in and you hold your breath. You don't breathe out. So you hold that air inside of your lungs and then you breathe out. So let's try to see if we can hold our breath as long as we can. So everybody's going to take a deep breath and you're going to hold your breath and see how long we can do it for. Ready? Everybody get ready to take a deep breath. Here we go. Hold it. Hold it in your lungs. Let's see who can hold it the longest. Hold your breath. Hold your breath. Oh, yeah. How did that feel? How did that feel? Yeah. Let's do it again. Let's take another big deep breath. Take a big deep breath. And breathe out. In and out. Good job. Okay, let's try and, yeah, it feels kind of weird. It feels a little maybe dizzy, a little bit dizzy, a little funny. Okay, let's do it one more time. Everybody get ready to take a deep breath. Take a big deep breath, as deep as you can. And hold that air in your lungs. Hold that air. Hold it as long as you can. So how did that feel? Did that feel good or bad? Yeah, kind of a little bit dizzy maybe. A little bit dizzy. We need to keep breathing air in and out of our lungs to help us live, right? So we need to take deep breaths all the time. And do we think about when we breathe, or does it just happen? What do you think? Yeah. Do we have to think about, okay, I need to breathe. I need to breathe. Or does it just happen by itself?
No, feel it.
Yeah, it just kind of happens by itself. We don't really have to think about breathing. So let's take a look at our skeleton. Yeah, do you remember our skeleton friend? Do you remember what's inside right here that helps us to breathe?
No.
Bones are inside. That's cool. Bones are inside. The heart is inside. Boom, boom. Do you remember what helps us breathe? What are these? Yeah, our lungs. Lungs. Let me hear lungs. 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 Yeah, our lungs help us to do what? What do our lungs help us to do? Breathe. Yeah, everybody say breathe.
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 Good job. Breathe.
Breathe.
Breathe. We breathe with what? Our stomach? Do we breathe with our stomach?
No.
Do we breathe with our heart?
Yeah. No.
What do we breathe with? Our lungs. That's right. We use our lungs.
Thinking, breathe.
Yeah, we use our brain to think. That's right. Yeah, so we use our lungs to breathe in what? Do we breathe in water?
No.
What do we breathe?
Air.
Yeah. We use our lungs to breathe in air. Can we see the air?
Yeah. No.
Can we see the air?
Yeah.
What color is the air? No. That's our air conditioning. Can we see the air?
No.
It's around here?
Air.
If it's moving a tree. Yeah, if it's moving a tree, we can see that tree move. We can see that tree moving, but do we see the air moving? No. We can't see the air. We can't see the air, even though it's all around us. We can't see it. Sometimes we can feel it. Sometimes we can feel it if the wind is blowing like that, right? Yeah, we can feel it on our bodies. Sometimes we can see it when we see plants moving around. But we can't really see the actual air. It's hard. We can't see it. It's invisible. So there's something very important inside of that air that we need to breathe. It's called oxygen. 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 Yeah, it's kind of a funny word, right? The oxygen is in the air all around us, and that's what we breathe in. Yeah, that's what we breathe in. Yeah, you can breathe it in through your nose, or what else can you breathe in through? Yeah, you can breathe in through your nose or your mouth. Yeah, you can breathe in. Everybody, let's take one more big deep breath together. Very nice. What's another thing our bodies need? We need air. Water. Do you remember how to spell water? Do you remember how to spell water?
W-A-T-E-R.
Very nice. Great job, my friends. Water. Yeah, just like animals, people need water. Did you drink water today?
No.
No?
Yeah.
Some people did. Some people didn't.
Yeah.
Yeah, usually when I wake up in the morning, the first thing I do is drink some water. Drink some water. Everybody say, drink water.
Drink water.
Drink water.
Drink water.
Good job. Does anybody know why we drink water? Why do we drink water? Can you think of any reasons why we drink water? Yeah, if we're thirsty, Yeah, because the inside of our body, it likes to be kind of wet, right? Does it feel good when we have a dry throat or a dry mouth?
Yeah.
Does that feel good?
Yeah.
Feels good? When your throat is dry and you're thirsty? No. Yeah, it doesn't feel very good. What about the inside of your mouth? Is that wet or dry? On your tongue. Is your tongue wet or dry?
Dry.
Touch your tongue.
Wet.
Touch your tongue. Is it wet or dry?
Wet.
What do you think? Wet or dry?
Wet.
Wet, yeah. The inside of our body likes to stay wet. We need to have our body have a lot of water so that... What are these? What are these?
Hand. Muscle.
Yeah, what are all these red parts?
Muscle.
Muscles, yeah. We need water so that our muscles can work and that we can move around. If our bodies don't have water, our muscles are very dry and they don't work very well. Yeah, we'll get too dried out. Our body won't work very well. So we need water to help keep our muscles wet on the inside of our body. We need to keep the inside of our mouth wet. And what about inside of our head? What's inside of our head?
Brain.
Our brain. Does our brain need to be wet, do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, our brain needs to be wet too. If our brain doesn't get enough water, it dries out and gets very wet because our brain is squishy. Our brain is squishy like this sponge. Yeah, our brain is squishy like this sponge. It's squishy like this sponge. So we need to have water inside of our mouths, for our muscles, and for our brains. For our brains. So feel how squishy the sponge is. Squishy like our brain. Yeah, squishy, right? Yeah, is it squishy or hard? What do you think? Squishy?
Yeah, so Gucci. No.
Yeah, squishy or hard? What do you think? Is it squishy or hard?
Yeah.
Squishy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See this. It's so hard.
That part's a little rough. It's a little rough. A little rough. Squishy or hard? What do you think? Squishy or hard? Is it squishy? Squishy?
Yeah.
Squishy. Let me hear.
It's a Gucci.
Squishy. Okay, let Pakbong feel.
Squishy.
Yeah. Yeah, it's squishy. It's squishy just like our brain is squishy. So we need that water to keep our brain nice and squishy so that it doesn't get all hard and dried out like this side of the sponge. Yeah. So we need water to keep the inside of our mouths wet and our throat wet. We need to keep, what are these? What are these? Yeah, we need to keep our muscles wet. And what else do we need to keep wet? Yeah, our brain, we need to keep that wet. All of our organs like to stay wet on the inside of our body. What about the outside of our body? Do we need water for the outside of our body?
No.
What do you think?
Yeah.
For what?
No. Yeah.
We need water sometimes to clean our body, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes if we take a shower or a bath, we use water to clean our body. Yeah, we use water to clean our body. Or if we go swimming, our bodies will get wet. But normally our bodies on the outside like to stay dry. They don't really like to be in water like a fish. We like to stay dry unless we're taking a bath or a shower or we're going swimming. Yeah, good job, friends. So our bodies need air to live. What else do they need? What else do our bodies need to live?
Water.
Water and food. food? Do you remember? Great job. Great job. F-O-O. D spells food. Food. Do we eat the same kind of food or different foods? Yeah, we eat different foods. We eat different foods. So, what did you eat for breakfast today?
Eggs.
You had eggs. Pot, what did you eat for breakfast today? What did you eat for breakfast today? You had a hamburger for breakfast? Okay. Hamburger. What else did you eat for breakfast today? What else did you eat for breakfast today? What did you eat today for breakfast?
Me eat egg.
You had eggs too? Raise your hand if you ate breakfast today.
Me egg.
You ate eggs?
Me egg.
Eggs. Yeah. Good job. What did you eat for dinner last night? Fish? 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 What else did you eat for dinner last night? What else did you eat for dinner last night? What? What did you eat for dinner last night? Chicken? Okay. Had some pork? What else did you eat for dinner? What did you eat? A hot dog. What else did you eat for dinner last night? What did you eat? Tell me. Tell me. What did you eat? Eggs? More eggs? Very nice. An egg, yeah. Yeah, we've got eggs. What did you eat? What? Eggs. All right. You ate some chicken? Okay, very nice. That's okay. Different kinds of foods. Okay, what did we eat for lunch yesterday at school? What did we eat for lunch? Eggs. We had more eggs. We had some meat, right? Yeah. Did we have rice yesterday? Did we eat rice yesterday at lunch? Yeah. We ate rice yesterday at lunch. Rice. Close. Rice. Rice. Yeah. Are all of these foods different or the same? Yeah, they're different. We eat all different kinds of foods. We eat all different kinds of foods. We eat all different kinds of foods. If we ate the same food all the time, would that be fun? No, it'd be kind of boring. Be kind of boring, right? So we eat all different kinds of foods. Are some of these foods good for us? What do you think? Are some foods good for us? And some foods are bad for us, right? What about candy? Is that good for us? It tastes good. But is that good for our teeth and our body? No, not really. Sometimes when foods taste really good, they have a lot of sugar in them, which is not good for us. Too much sugar is not good for us. So some foods can be good for us. They can help us grow strong and get taller and better and faster. Other foods are not very good for us. They make us have bad teeth. They don't help us to grow. So we need to think about good, healthy foods. So we're going to use the next few moments to draw some pictures. I want you to draw a picture of a food that is good for your body to eat. That's a healthy food. Can anybody think of a healthy food? What's a healthy food? Eggs are good for us. Yeah, eggs are a good, healthy food. What's another healthy food? What's another healthy food? Okay. An apple is nice and healthy for us.
apple.
Milk is nice and healthy for us. An egg, very nice. Okay, milk, cool. You can color it. Can you think of any other foods that are healthy for us? Yeah. A carrot is nice and healthy for us. Good job, friends. An onion, yeah, all the vegetables are good for us. All the vegetables are good for us. And what? Everything is good. And a pear, yeah. Pears. Anything on our board of fruit is good for us. And lychees. Chicken? Milk and cheese, yeah. Cheese is good for us. I like cheese. You can color it. Good job. So spend a few moments thinking about healthy foods that you can draw and color on some scrap paper. Spend about 10 minutes brainstorming healthy foods together. As many as you can think of. It's very nice. Is ice cream good for you? No, ice cream's not good for you. Ice cream, it might taste good, but it's not good for your body. Well, an egg. Egg. It's okay. It's not very good for us. Okay, we'll just get rid of it. Okay, finish up what you're drawing. Okay, you can draw a carrot. Finish up what you're drawing. Calm down. Finish up the one you're drawing. Finish up the one you're working on. Okay. Finish up. Very nice. Finish up the one you're on right now. Finish it up. Finish it up. That's a lot of healthy foods. What kind of healthy foods do we draw? What's one of the healthy foods we do? An egg. We'll put our healthy foods. Yeah, I'm hearing a lot of healthy foods. I heard an egg. I heard an orange. I heard apple. And milk. A carrot. What letter does carrot start with? What do you think? What letter does carrot start with? C. Carrot. Chicken. I heard grapes. I heard chicken. Yeah. Cherries. Rambutan. Thank you, friends. A banana is good for us. Good job. And a pear. A-R. Good. Are all fruits healthy for us? Yeah. Yeah, we've got cherries. We got cherries. 2, what did you draw that's healthy for us? Apple. And what else? Soup with an egg is very good for us. And a carrot? Good job. Yeah, soup with an egg is good for us. Say soup with eggs is nice and healthy for us. Does anybody have any other things that are healthy? What? Lychee is good for us. All fruits are good for us. Lychee, yeah. Any other foods that you drew that are good for us? Yeah, longan? Garlic? Garlic is good for us. Very nice. Very nice. Looking good, friends. Garlic is good for us. And garlic. Very nice. All the fruits and vegetables are very good for us to eat. Good job. Good job, friends. We've got a lot of healthy foods. How many healthy foods did we think of? 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
15. Wow, that's good. That's a lot of healthy foods. Good job, friends. Thanks for joining us for our lesson today. Can you tell me the 3 things that people need to live? Air, water, and food. Good job. Do we need healthy food? Yeah. What does that help us to do? What does food and water help us to do? Stay the same size? What does it help us do? Grow. Everybody show me how you grow. Good job, my friends. Thank you very much. Everybody say goodbye.